Is your DeLonghi portable air conditioner's control panel unresponsive? Don't worry, you can often fix this yourself with these initial troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your DeLonghi unit is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's receiving power. Next, check the fuse in your unit's plug and verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. A blown fuse or tripped breaker will prevent the unit from receiving power. If your DeLonghi unit has an LCDI plug, that's a safety plug with a reset button, press the reset button on the plug itself. This can restore power to units with this safety feature. Look for a dedicated reset button on your DeLonghi unit. Press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds, then release it and wait for the unit to restart. If your unit doesn't have a reset button, simply unplug it from the wall for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This allows the internal electronics to fully reset. These initial troubleshooting steps address common electronic glitches that can freeze your control panel, including memory errors in the microprocessor, communication failures between components, and temporary software bugs. Try these initial steps first, as they resolve most control panel issues with DeLonghi portable air conditioners. When basic resets don't solve your DeLonghi air conditioner button problems, we need to check for common underlying issues that can disable the control panel. The most common cause is a full internal water tank. When the tank reaches capacity, it triggers error codes and disables all buttons as a safety feature. Dirty air filters restrict airflow and cause the system to malfunction. Compare these filters. The dirty one on the left blocks airflow, while the clean one allows proper circulation. Check for obstructions in vents and the exhaust hose. Even small blockages can cause the unit to shut down and disable button functions. For models without a physical reset button, try button combinations on the remote or control panel. Hold mode plus up arrow or power plus mode for 3 to 5 seconds until the display flashes. If these solutions don't work, it's time to contact professional service. Call an authorized service center if you notice persistent error codes, unusual noises, water leaking inside the unit, burning smells, or suspect refrigerant problems.